use dry erase boards a lot as a type of formative assessment. I can easily see students' work, and it makes it much easier to assess understanding of a topic. In the video, students are on IXL and are showing their work on their boards. Another way that I use them is to have students work out a problem, and then I write all of the different answers that I can see on the board. This is a type of error analysis, where we look at each answer and see how someone could have gotten that answer. Another way that I use dry erase boards is to have students do problems one step at a time and show me their work before moving on. Each student is assigned a numbered computer and a numbered pencil pouch at the beginning of the year. The pencil pouch contains any materials that they could need during class. I feel that this makes students accountable for their materials, and it also saves class time because they have everything that they need as soon as they walk through the door. There is no stopping to have to pass out a bunch of different materials.
What was the piece that we, is that your variable Q? Be sure that when you ride that elevator,
It'll change, remember it's gonna come out just the same.
thank you.
Alright, finish the problem that you're on. Okay, cause it's time to go. Y'all picked up so quick on that, y'all did great. So, just like it Okay, finish the problem that you're on, and then make sure everything's in your pencil pouch, and bring me what you got.